This is a cow. Cows are herbivores because cows eat grass. Cows' natural diet consists mainly of grasses, legumes, alfalfa, clover, and hay. They are grazing animals. These are goats. Goats are herbivores. Goats prefer to browse on vines, such as kudzu, on shrubbery and on weeds. More like deer than sheep, preferring them to grasses. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits. Fresh, clean drinking water and good quality hay and grass should make up the majority of your rabbit's diet. A rabbit's digestive system needs hay or grass to function properly, so a healthy supply is extremely important. This is a sheep. Sheep is a herbivorous animal. Sheep eat grasses, plants, legumes, and forbs, since they are strict herbivores. This is a buffalo. Buffaloes are herbivorous animals. The main diet for the buffalo is roughage such as grass, legumes, and straw. The roughage can be fed either fresh as pasture or in a cut-and-carry system or conserved as hay or silage. A buffalo can eat up to 10 kilos of grass and fodder a day. Buffalo's lifespan is 30 years when they are kept in a good and healthy environment. Horses are a diverse group of animals of the family Equidae. They are herbivores, which means they eat grass and other plants. Some plants are dangerous for them like ragwort, lemongrass or oil grass, and sometimes acorns. Horses are in many colors. There are white, red, brown, black, gray horses, and also sometimes they have a mixture of colors. A horse lives up to 25 to 30 years. However, it does depend on their living condition. The pig, often called swine, hog, or domestic pig. Pigs need a warm, clean area under a roof to sleep, and they should not be crowded. They need to be checked for sickness regularly. A pig is an omnivorous animal, which means it eats fruits, vegetables, insects, and fishes. Pigs need lots of water. Pigs should be given all the feed they will eat, which is usually 4 to 5 pounds a day for adult pigs. Corn is a good food for pigs, but they should also have protein supplements as well. Pigs are smart animals. They are even able to learn how to play video games. Pigs are commonly used as working animals. They are used to hunt for truffles, pull carts, and sniff out landmines. This is a deer. A male deer is called a stag or buck, a female deer is called a hind or doe, and a young deer is called a fawn, kid, or calf. A male deer has horns on its head, whereas female deer has no horns on its head. Deer is a herbivore. Deer are browsers, and feed mainly on leaves. Deer chews easily digestible shoots, young leaves, fresh grasses, soft twigs, fruit, fungi, and lichens. This is mostly low-fiber food. The male deer need minerals such as calcium and phosphate for their antler growth. A caterpillar is a young butterfly or moth that has just hatched out of its egg. A caterpillar is a kind of larva. When it is older, the caterpillar will turn into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis, and then later the pupa will turn into a butterfly. Most caterpillars are solely herbivorous. Caterpillars of most species eat plant material, often leaves, but not all. About 1% caterpillar eat insects, and some are even cannibalistic. Some feed on other animal products. For example, clothes moths feed on wool, and horn moths feed on the hooves and horns of dead ungulates. Parrots, also known as citizines. Parrots, along with ravens, crows, jays, and magpies, are among the most intelligent birds, and the ability of some species to imitate human speech enhances their popularity as pets. Parrot species are omnivorous. The diet of parrots consists of seeds, fruit, nectar, pollen, buds, and sometimes arthropods and other animal prey. The most important of these for most true parrots and cockatoos are seeds. The large and powerful bill has evolved to open and consume tough seeds. The lifespan of parrot is nearly 15 to 80 years. This is elephants. Elephants are herbivores. They eat a range of plants, including grasses, fruit, and roots. An adult elephant consumes about 100 kilograms or 220 pounds of food and 100 liters or 26 gallons of water per day. These amounts can be double for a hungry and thirsty individual. In addition, elephants are one of the longest-lived animals with an average lifespan of up to 70 years. But the oldest elephant to ever live passed away at the age of 86 years. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. Giraffes usually inhabit savannas and open woodlands. Giraffes browse on the twigs of trees, preferring those of the subfamily Acaceae and the genera Commiphora and Terminalia. They also feed on shrubs, grass, and fruit. During the wet season, food is abundant and giraffes are more spread out, while during the dry season, they gather around the remaining evergreen trees and bushes. The giraffe requires less food than many other herbivores because the foliage it eats has more concentrated nutrients and it has a more efficient digestive system. They sleep only 5 to 30 minutes in one day. They are known to live between 25 to 40 years. The koala is an iconic Australian animal. Often called the koala bear, this tree-climbing animal is a marsupial, a mammal with a pouch for the development of offspring. Koalas are social animals and spend just 15 minutes a day on social behaviors. Koalas have two unusual characteristics. They eat leaves of eucalyptus trees. Koalas do not drink often, they get most of their water from the eucalyptus leaves they eat. Eucalyptus leaves are poisonous, but koalas do not get poisoned. This is because they have certain bacteria in their digestive tract that can detoxify the poison in the leaves.